So the first thing we want to do, remember that social media app that we created? Well, we're going to go ahead and pull OfferUp from there, and I have them exactly so you don't miss a step.
Right.
That's why we have
all the right steps.
All the right steps. So we're going to go
all
ahead.
the right order.
Let me go ahead and hit. Here we go. OfferUp, right?
See, now there's all the different choices. So you go down to that camera, and then it pops up. Now that's a picture where you put the picture. So you select photo or you take a photo. Now we're gonna select a photo so you can pick from your camera roll. So there's a whole bunch of different pictures in there. So now we're just gonna pick a picture of one of our houses. See that fountain in the front? We use that fountain on a lot of houses. Now this is where you put your description. You can just punch in a description from another house like we did here and just enter it in as one big block, paste it in there. Now you can put a price in there. Obviously, if you're looking for a house from a seller, you can put in $1. You don't want to eliminate any sellers. So if you're looking for a seller, a lot of times you'll put $1. But if you're putting a house for sale, obviously you're gonna put whatever you're looking for on a house for sale, which is usually like $149.9 or whatever. So then you post. At the end of all these, you're always just gonna hit post. And so you hit post at the end, and then you go back to your picture of Ron and you in Italy. Oops, you may not have a picture of you and Ron in Italy. Okay, but that's basically how OfferUp works. Most of these go along those same steps, so that's a good quick post on OfferUp.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.